Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Harmony. Harmony. Harmony means pleasing combination of simultaneously sounded musical notes. For example, 4-part harmony in the barbershop style. 4-part harmony in the barbershop style. Synonyms: euphony, polyphony, consonance. Harvest. Harvest. Harvest means gathering of crops. For example, helping with the harvest. Helping with the harvest. Synonyms: gathering in of the crops, harvesting, harvest time. Hatred. Hatred. Hatred means intense dislike. For example, racial hatred. Racial hatred. Synonyms: loathing, hate, detestation. Hazard. Hazard. Hazard means danger or risk. For example, the hazards of smoking. The hazards of smoking. Synonyms: danger, risk, peril. Heritage. Heritage. Heritage means inheritance. For example, they had stolen his grandfather's heritage. They had stolen his grandfather's heritage. Synonyms: inheritance, birthright, patrimony. Hierarchy. Hierarchy. Hierarchy means ranking system ordered according to importance. For example, the initiative was with those lower down in the hierarchy. The initiative was with those lower down in the hierarchy. Synonyms: pecking order, ranking, grading. Homeland. Homeland. Homeland means person's or people's native land. For example, I could finally go back to my homeland. I could finally go back to my homeland. Synonyms: native land, native country, country of origin. Horizon. Horizon. Horizon means line where earth and sky meet. For example, the sun rose above the horizon. The sun rose above the horizon. Synonyms: skyline, range of vision, field of view. Horn. Horn. Horn means hard-pointed growth on animal's head. For example, what artist would represent cattle without horns? What artist would represent cattle without horns? Hostility. Hostility. Hostility means hostile behavior. For example, their hostility to all outsiders. Their hostility to all outsiders. Synonyms: antagonism, unfriendliness, bitterness. Humanity. Humanity. Humanity means human beings collectively. For example, appalling crimes against humanity. Appalling crimes against humanity. Synonyms: humankind, the human race, the human species. Hydrogen. Hydrogen. Hydrogen means highly flammable gas. For example, energy is generated by the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen across a catalytic membrane. Energy is generated by the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen across a catalytic membrane. Ideology. Ideology. Ideology means system of ideas and ideals. For example, the ideology of democracy. The ideology of democracy. Synonyms: beliefs, ideas, ideals. Idiot. Idiot. Idiot means stupid person. For example, I feel like an idiot who swallowed every lie I was told. I feel like an idiot who swallowed every lie I was told. Synonyms: fool, half-wit, nincompoop. Ignorance. Ignorance. Ignorance means lack of knowledge or information. For example, he acted in ignorance of basic procedures. He acted in ignorance of basic procedures. Synonyms: incomprehension, unawareness, unconsciousness. Imagery. Imagery. Imagery means visually descriptive or figurative language. For example, Tennyson uses imagery to create a lyrical emotion. Tennyson uses imagery to create a lyrical emotion. Implementation. Implementation. Implementation means process of putting decision or plan into effect. For example, she was responsible for the implementation of the plan. She was responsible for the implementation of the plan. Synonyms: execution, application, carrying out. Imprisonment. Imprisonment. Imprisonment means state of being imprisoned. For example, he was sentenced to 2 months imprisonment. He was sentenced to 2 months imprisonment. Synonyms: incarceration, internment, confinement. Inability. Inability. Inability means state of being unable to do something. For example, his inability to accept new ideas. His inability to accept new ideas. Synonyms: lack of ability, incapability, incapacity. Incidence. Incidence. Incidence means occurrence, rate, or frequency of disease. For example, an increased incidence of cancer. An increased incidence of cancer. Synonyms: occurrence, prevalence, commonness.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.